Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Women's Fashion. My dear friends, I hope you are all fine. In this leather video today, I will show you a different handbags designs. My dear friends, let's talk about in fashion leather handbags designs, shoulder leather handbags designs, hand carry leather handbags designs ideas. Leather handbags will change your personality, look gorgeous and great. If you love to follow trendy fashion about leather handbags will change your look with boutique style leather handbags, designer leather handbags, genuine leather handbags, zipper style leather handbags, shoulder hand carries bags, and daily workouts leather handbags, and much more about leather outfits. If you are a new subscriber on my channel, so make sure do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Share it with your friends and family members and all other social media's contact. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of leather videos do you want to see on my channel. Thank you once again you watching my leather videos from my channel. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and get the latest and new daily updates. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new collection, new ideas and new trendy fashion about leather handbags ideas. We will be right back with new leather videos and new leather handbags, genuine leather handbags, hand carry bags and shoulders carry bags ideas. Thank you once again. Keep supporting me. Till then, thanks for watching. Salam to all of you. Pray with us. Bye bye.